Dear Excellency, Your Excellency, welcome to our governors.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present His Excellency Mr. Lutelu Faavae, the High Commissioner Designate of Tuvalu to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letters of credence which the Acting Governor General of Tuvalu has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the High Commissioner of Tuvalu to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my desk.
Your Excellency, I welcome you most warmly to Fiji. I have pleasure and honor to receive your letters of credence as well as the letters of recall of your predecessor. Please convey